Alrighty, somebody asked me today, how can you add text to a pre-made card in Design Space? The project is a free card and it's called Lattice Love. This is the card she's asking about. So this is the one we can customize for her. Choose the card and select Customize. And then once it's in Design Space, we will come over here. We're not going to work on the envelope, so I'm just going to turn the envelope off by closing it. I'm going to select the card, come over here and flip it. Give it a second. There. The next thing we can do is, actually we have to ungroup it. Now come over and add your text. I choose Cricut Sans and we're going to write. Add our text that says happy. Oh, my cap lock please. Okay, happy Valentine's Day. And then we can come over here to alignment and we will center it. Bring it over here and just resize it to fit where you want it. And we'll just drag it right there. Okay, now we're going to take and hold down the Shift key. This is already highlighted, so we will select Attach, and that will select the rest of the card, and we will attach everything together. Now we have the pink piece and the card, and we can come over to Make It. That's how simple it was. Over in Make It, you will see we have a score, a draw, and a cut. Here is the fold line. I would recommend, let me show you. We'll cancel this. The little step that will actually make it a little bit easier is this one. And duplicate it. Okay, it does not get off where you are, so just drag it back over and line it up. And we will zoom in to get it right where you need it. Okay, not that far zoomed in, sorry. I was using not this, I was using my computer's screen to zoom in. Let me reset it back to that and we'll go over here. But yeah, just line this up. Not that hard to do. You just gotta nudge it over and there we go, we're done. Okay, and then we can Shift key and it actually I want to bring that, let's detach because I got to drag this down next to. This makes it just easier to fold, adding a second score line to it. Oops, these are all attached. I have to, this one's all stuck together here, so we'll detach those. And drag this one up to there. Okay, now these are together. We'll just attach them so we don't move them. And this and this, and the text should be back on top. I don't really know if it makes a difference. It might in the order it works, but get up there. There. Okay, now we select our text, select Attach, which is the score lines and the Valentine card, and we can attach it all and go over to Make It. And it's score, draw, cut, and I'm going to do this one in pink and this one in red. This is just the insert. And we will select continue, and I will be back with the finished product. Okay, now we're completed with the card cut out. This is how it came off the mat, and since we mirrored it, we can just fold it. I would fold it this way. Whoop, not that. I think I would have done the score line twice. It's a good thing to get into is doing the score line 2 times. That way it's a little bit stronger. And then this piece goes inside here, and we can just glue that in. Should be a nice little fit. So I figure out my glasses to see here. Okay, glasses. And what we can do is just dab the glue. I don't want to get glue on here. Just 1 second. Okay. Now you have a plastic placemat here. And now I'll just dab some glue all around. You don't need a lot. I think I'm clogged. Nope. Okay. We'll go right along here. I am clogged. Oh, there it comes. There we go. And just little doodles, you know, you don't have to do it all everywhere. Okay. You don't have to do it everywhere. But around the outside edges. Oh, I think FedEx is here. Alright. And then you can just place your paper on the insert in here to cover the card. I think we got it. There we go. Perfect. And there's your card with your insert and your writing. And you have all these little hearts left over. Why not just stick them on the inside? Because there you go. And hope you enjoyed that. Happy Valentine's Day. And let me know what you think. And if you have anything, questions, and you want to learn how to do something, I try to make the videos pretty fast. Just join my Cricut group. The link will be in the bottom. And we'll see you soon.